Welcome to Auto Next Level. Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Hyundai Tucson. This is more than a facelift. It's a full reboot. Get ready to see how Hyundai is reimagining what a compact SUV can be. Picture this. You walk up to your Tucson and the first thing you see is a seamless LED light bar stretching edge to edge. No separate grille elements breaking up the look. Just one clean, futuristic line connecting the headlights. Instantly, you know this is not your grandfather's SUV. The front end feels bold, confident, and very modern. That LED bar flows into sculpted contours and crisp surfaces. The front bumper is sleek and purposeful, with subtle aerodynamic venting and a wide lower intake that anchors the design. On the sides, the Tucson carries a coupe-like profile. The roofline slopes gently, the wheel arches are muscular, and those flush door handles and gloss black trim pieces push the premium feel. Move to the rear, and you'll find a matching horizontal LED light strip, giving emphasis to the width. Below, the integrated diffuser and twin exhaust ports hint at performance without overdoing it. Now step inside. The cabin is where the transformation really shows. You slide into soft, premium leather seats, rich tones, elegant stitching. The dash is clean and horizontal, with two large displays merging seamlessly, one for your instruments, another for infotainment. Everything looks modern. Everything looks integrated. Ambient lighting gently outlines the cabin, setting a relaxed mood for night drives. A panoramic sunroof brings in daylight. The center console is minimalist but functional. Wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, hidden storage, clean surfaces. The steering wheel is slim, modern, with just enough tactile buttons so you don't feel like you're driving a gadget. The overall effect, futuristic yet comfortable and familiar. Under the hood, Hyundai is sticking to a multi-powertrain strategy. The base model uses a 2.5-liter four-cylinder, around 187 horsepower, driving through an 8-speed automatic. Front-wheel drive is standard. All-wheel drive, called H-Track, is available, improving grip and handling balance. For those wanting more efficiency and extra punch, there's the hybrid version. A 1.6-liter turbocharged gas engine pairs with electric assistance, and together they push output to about 226 horsepower with 258 lb-ft of torque. That gives you a smoother drive, better fuel economy, and a quicker 0 to 60 time. Motor Trend recorded 6.9 seconds. Hyundai also promises smart features in the hybrid system. For example, smart regenerative braking that adjusts based on traffic and incline, and a stay mode that powers the cabin system's AC, infotainment without running the engine when you're parked. On the numbers front, for the regular gas version, EPA estimates are about 25 mpg city, 33 mpg. Highway UI 28 mpg combined. For hybrid models, the combined figures jump considerably, giving you real gains in fuel efficiency. Pricing in the US begins in the low 30,000s for the base gas trim. The hybrid trims push into the 35,000 to 43,000 range depending on features and configuration. So it's a competitive position in this crowded compact SUV class. Hyundai has also packed in a lot of tech and safety. Expect features like a hands-free smart liftgate, dual automatic climate zones, remote folding rear seats, and standard driver assist systems. The infotainment system supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And the displays are bright, clear, intuitive. Driving experience? The base gas model is solid. It won't turn heads as a speed demon, but it gives confident everyday handling, decent steering feedback, and a comfortable ride. The hybrid adds more responsiveness and better torque at lower speeds. If you drive in traffic or want smoother acceleration, you'll feel a real difference. One thing to note, in reviews so far, there's a consensus that this isn't a full redesign but a significant refresh. Some features carry over, but Hyundai has sharpened the styling, upped the tech, and improved power options. So, what's really new? The LED lighting signature, the sleeker exterior proportions, the refined interior with a more seamless tech display layout. The hybrid system gets smarter, and the price-to-feature balance is aggressive. Hyundai is clearly pushing Tucson into the premium compact SUV territory. It's not just evolution, and it feels like redefinition. If you're in the market for a modern SUV with tech, style, fuel efficiency, and everyday usability, the 2026 Tucson is going to be a serious contender. It blends the familiar with the futuristic. All right, that's our tour of the 2026 Tucson. What do you think? Would you go hybrid or stick with the gas engine? Drop a comment, tell us what trim you'd pick or what features you want to see next. If you like this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Next Level, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest car reveals, reviews, and updates. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.